Hey guys, I'm Andres Lagston, creator and founder of the Baking Steel Company. We have the next evolution of the baking steel. I'm gonna open this thing up so we can see it. Boom, the Baking Steel Plus. It's bigger, it's better, it takes up more real estate. It is truly legendary. Let me give you an example of the original steel, which is here, 14 by 16, kind of overlaying on top of the Baking Steel Plus, which is 15 by 20. Think 2 pizzas instead of 1 pizza. We extended it just so we could do more of everything. Everything is better on the Baking Steel Plus. We have some really cool developments. We've actually made a baking steel peel, which is about the same dimensions as the Baking Steel Plus. So back of the peel to the back of the steel, boom. Steel gets super hot, it's ultra conductive. So we came up with this great idea. We made baking steel bracelets and we elevate the bread. All the airflow and heat is still coming into the bread without a burn on the bottom. When we remove these breads, these become a cooling rack. This is the largest pizza I've ever launched. Oh man, that is gorgeous. So chef, how do we do our first pizza on the Baking Steel Plus?
10 out of 10, man. Look at this thing.
You can feed a family with this thing. It's gorgeous, man.
Changing the world, man.
Change the world, one pizza at a time.
You want to dive in? I'm doing the corner.
Corner.
Cheers.
Cheers.